Hey everyone, welcome back to my birthday vlog. Just a short drive from Dibrugarh and we are surrounded by the serene beauty of Namsai, Arunachal Pradesh. Made it to our destination, time to explore. Come along with us.